Hello.
Hi,
How
how
are-
are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm good, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Saber Hussain Chaudhuri. You called me Saber.
Sabir. Okay, perfect,
Yeah.
wonderful.
What's your
Sabir, my name is Michaela.
name? Nice to meet
Michaela.
you.
Nice to meet you too. And where are you from, Sabir?
I am from Bangladesh. Do you know
Bangladesh.
Bangladesh?
Wonderful. Yeah, of course I know Bangladesh.
And what about you? Where are you from?
I am from South Africa.
Wow, South Africa. I
South
think
Africa.
your country cricket team is awesome.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. Yes, definitely. We are definitely playing cricket against each other
Yeah,
often.
yeah, absolutely. Your country, many players are very favorite me.
Wonderful, wonderful, amazing. I'm very, very glad to hear this.
Like Avi de Villiers,
Hmm.
Park
Hmm.
Duplessis,
Hmm.
J.P. Dumini.
Hmm.
There are lots of players very wonderful playing cricket.
Wonderful. I'm very glad. I'm very glad that you support some
Uh,
people in my team also.
yeah.
Amazing.
Do you
Sabir,
do you
before
do you know Bangladesh cricket or watching Bangladesh cricket?
I'm not watching sports, to be honest with you.
Okay.
My grandfather loves watching cricket. When
Yeah.
I was growing up, a little girl, always cricket on the TV. When my grandfather is watching. And now my boyfriend's aunt, she loves cricket. So now always when she's visiting, the cricket is playing. So I know the scores by listening to her, but personally I don't watch.
Uh, uh, so, uh, so what's your profession? Are you
Uh, my profession. Sabir, I just want to let you know before we begin, um, I do have a reservation. Started 6 minutes ago. So my student is running late. If my student calls, I will let you know. I will have to get going, but I just want to tell you because he can call at any time now. Is that
yeah?
fine? Is it perfect?
Okay,
Okay.
okay, no. Uh,
No, we can continue talking until he calls, if you
oh
want
yeah,
to continue, but otherwise you can call another tutor. It's up to
okay,
you.
okay. So, my question, I have a question to you.
Yeah, yeah, for you,
So, a
for
question for you. Yeah.
perfect, perfect.
Yeah. So, my mother language is Bengali.
Hmm.
So, my question for you, for those whose mother tongue is not English, but who are interested in learning English, so how can they learn English easily? Please tell me something. I think you have a lot of experience, so please share with me.
Perfect, perfect. No problem, brother. So,
Yeah.
learning, I want to know. So, your mother tongue is Bengali, and
Yeah,
Bengali. It's the only language you're speaking.
yeah. But
Okay,
English,
perfect.
yeah, yeah.
And how long have you been practicing English?
I have been just 1 year, 1 year, but our education, our education subject is English every classes, but
Mhm.
but their class their class is not always practice speaking.
Mhm.
So students, people are not very good at
Mhm.
speaking.
Mhm. I see.
But
I see.
uh, we educational system have a English subject.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So I want to just make sure I understand. In high school, you have English as a subject,
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
but for example, maths and science and all other subjects is taught in Bengali, not
Yeah.
English. Okay.
Totally. No. 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 Of course, we have a English subject after high school level.
Yeah.
After high school level in our educational system to intermediate level.
Mhm.
When I pass intermediate, then I just chose just one subject
Mhm.
uh, for for a honors for
Okay.
honors
Uh-huh.
honors. So it can be science, any subject, or English or Bengali, on physics, chemistry, biology. I can any subject uh, to honors.
Okay, okay. Just that last sentence, you can say, I can choose. I can choose any
I can
subject.
choose.
Mhm.
Yes,
for
I can
for
choose any subject for honors.
for my honors. Perfect. For my honors.
Yes,
Amazing,
for,
amazing. I understand. So,
thank you,
so
thank
Peter,
you.
my advice for you is, when you're learning a language, there's four skills involved. It's listening,
Yeah,
reading, writing, and speaking, of course. So when you're learning the language, you need to practice all of these skills. Um,
yeah,
so a very good way to practice listening is by watching English TV programs, or English TV shows, movies. Do you watch any English movies or TV programs?
yes. Sometimes I'm watching some movies, but this is not very much.
Mhm, mhm. So my tip for you and my students who are very advanced and almost they have no accent, they have a very good understanding, very fluent in English. What they do is they expose themselves to English throughout the day. So, for example, I have one student. He has 1 hour subscription on Cambly. He use half hour in the morning, he used 15 minutes at lunch, and he used 15
Yeah,
minutes at night. So he is actually speaking English 3 times in the day to three different
every
people.
day,
Yeah, every
per day.
yeah, to three different people. And then when you're not speaking, watch some English TV programs or listen to English music. It's very good. Um, Also, do you like reading? Do you enjoy reading?
Yeah, yeah. I'm also like to reading.
Like reading. You can say I also like reading. Hmm? Um,
Yeah,
Perfect. So, do you read in English?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, perfect.
I read in English.
Perfect. So yeah, another tip for you is, if you have a book, an English book that you really understand or you really enjoy this topic, you can find something similar to this book with the topic. And do you know audiobooks? Audiobooks.
No, no.
Okay.
Uh,
So audiobooks, it's for people who are blind. They cannot see. So they want to
yeah,
read a book, but they cannot read. They cannot see. So they have created audiobooks for listening to a book. So you're listening to the whole book, but you're listening to it. So this is very good for practicing listening skills. And you can use this anytime. If you're walking to work, if you're walking on the beach, anytime you can listen to audiobook. You're practicing listening to English. It's very good. Um, yeah, and then Cambly is amazing for practicing speaking. Cambly is very important for practicing speaking. Do you use
yeah. I
English?
understand you. I understand you. Sorry.
No, no, please continue. Please continue, Sabir.
I understand your opinion. You told me listening skill is very important. So if I want to develop my listening skill, so of course every day some listening audio book from any source.
Yeah, yeah. From any book you enjoy, any topic you enjoy. Yeah,
Yes, yes. So
definitely.
I can easily search to YouTube channel,
Yeah.
then I think I get a lot of audio books clip. Then when I free, then I of course listening this audio book, inshallah.
Or if you find a book, or if you know a book you always wanted to read this book but you haven't read yet, you can search Google audiobook for, and you can say the title for the book, audiobook for,
Yeah.
and then you should find a website that you can download the audio. It will be on your cell phone and you can listen. But not only listening, every skill is important. All four skills. Reading, it's very important. This is how we learn vocabulary. Very, very important.
Yeah.
Even high school, my high
Food,
school.
food skill is very important.
Yes, all four.
If I to be a good speaker, so I should be develop four skill.
Yes, yes, definitely, definitely. If you want to be fluent in English, you should develop all four skills. Usually, it happens because, of course, writing and reading, it go together. Speaking and listening, it go together. So some of my students, they use English for work. So they're writing emails, they're writing very good with English, but they never speak English. So they want to practice their speaking skill. So it's very good to practice all skills, and this way
Yes,
you can develop all of your skills at the same time.
yes, I understand. I know that practice makes man perfect.
Yeah, definitely.
So I am really, I want to be a native speaker. So now I am not very good, but I think in the future I will be very good, inshallah.
Well, you cannot say that you are not very good. I understand everything you're trying to say, Isabir, and from what I see, you
Really?
understand everything I'm saying. So this is the most important, actually, is the understanding, communication and
Yeah,
understanding.
yeah.
Um,
Communication and understanding is very important.
yes,
Yeah.
definitely, definitely. And then a notebook.
So
Do you have a notebook, Sabir?
yeah, I have a notebook. Yeah,
Perfect, wonderful.
I have a notebook. When I don't understand some word, I just write my notebook, and with my Bengali meaning,
Mhm.
uh, with Bengali meaning, then I memorize. Then I try to memorize this word
Perfect, perfect. And
from my.
what you can do is also you can have your notebook with new vocabulary, and you can call a tutor
Yeah.
and say, "Tutor, I have some words I want to practice. Let's make some sentences. I want to practice using these words." And you can practice with the tutor. You can make a sentence, tutor can make a sentence. We can move on to the next word. So you can, because only the word become a part of your vocabulary when you start using it. So the more you,
Yes, I understand.
yeah,
Yes, I understand, ma'am. Actually, ma'am, my time is going over. So, inshallah, if I give another chance, I will call later, inshallah.
perfect, perfect, very good. Sabir, have a great day.
Uh, you have a, oh, thank you so
Thank you.
much. I am really grateful, and I am really grateful and thankful talking with you, talking with
Thank
you.
you so much. Thank you so much, Sabir. I hope you have a wonderful day.
Most, most welcome,
Thank you.
most welcome, and I would like to invite in our country.
Thank you so much, Shabir. Thank you so much, Shabir. Have a wonderful day. And really, your level of English
Welcome.
is very good already. You're at an intermediate level. Your understanding is good. Just get talking about different topics, and you'll advance.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Shabir.
Thank you, thank you.
See you. Have a great day. Bye
Bye.
bye. Good to meet you. Bye bye.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Bye bye.